Hey guys, it's Crimson Cloud, leader of the boss crew, and today I'm showing you how to make stand rushes from Jojo's Bizarre Adventures. So let's get right into the video. Let's start with the command test for @e name equals leather. Okay. Next command, and exposed. /kill @e leather. /kill @e name equals leather. /kill @e name equals G with a 14 tick. 20 ticks a second. Execute @e tag equal BB TP @e name equal you already saw that. With a 0 tick cooldown. Repeat always active. Thought. Pause this if you need to pause it, or if I'm leaving too fast on it. Oh yeah, make sure to join the Discord. Oh yeah, make sure to click the bell and subscribe so then make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you'll never miss another command block tutorial. Or any type of showcases from Shindo Life or any random video. It would help the channel out, and it only takes like 3 seconds of your time. 5 seconds. Yeah, 5 seconds. Oh yeah, my Xbox username is CrimsonWolf1446 if you want to play on Jojo Minecraft, which will have all of these abilities that you see in the command block tutorials plus more. Double exposure. Comment down below what you think my next command block tutorial should be. Or if you have any questions about this, I will answer them in the comments. Oh yeah, if you have any ideas that you think I can fix about these command blocks, comment down below and I'll make sure to take them to mind. And now let's test this out. I want to call my friend over from the Nether to show this off. And his name is Dio! And he's going to show it off, test it out on me. Right now I'm trying to get the thing that activates it. I guess that's it. Have a great day and a great life. Goodbye.